this is day 3 of the REB-4 install, and here we are installing the ejector. So we're gonna put this bad boy in right now and get it going. We're gonna drop the main conveyor section into the pit. We're gonna square it up, and then later we're gonna grab the second section and connect that, which will meet the hopper at the baler. So now we are measuring this angle iron. We're gonna build some braces for the conveyor to secure it before we put the second section on. Day 5, we're going to start welding the machine down, anchoring the machine down, making sure it's nice and level. And this morning we're going to put the gearbox in, and the plan for today is to put the hopper, connect the conveyor, and maybe do a few other things today.